It's easy to think of cybersecurity as just IT's job. And while the firewalls, antivirus protection, encryption, and system updates that they put in place do help keep your organization's network strong, technology alone can't stop every threat, which is where the human firewall comes in. The human firewall is a metaphor for trained, security-aware employees who identify and prevent threats like phishing, social engineering, and data mishandling through good judgment and best practices. While a traditional firewall protects your network by monitoring incoming and outgoing traffic, allowing trusted data through while blocking potentially harmful connections, it cannot detect manipulation, but humans can, making the human firewall a vital layer of defense. When everyone practices good cybersecurity habits, every informed choice strengthens the human firewall, keeping the organization safer, one decision at a time. Cybercriminals know targeting people is easier than breaking through technical defenses, which is why attacks often start with a person making a simple mistake, such as accidentally clicking a link in a phishing email. As the saying goes, to err is human. This isn't about being perfect, but rather being prepared, and having a strong human firewall ensures you're ready for anything that comes your way. So how do you know if your human firewall is strong? A strong human firewall is made up of employees who stay alert, think before they click, and take action when something doesn't feel right. It's built on a foundation of knowledge, behavior, culture, and accountability, all working together. You can further strengthen your human firewall by following these simple actions. Pause before clicking links, opening attachments, or sharing sensitive data. And always use the SLAM method to analyze the sender, links, attachments, and message before taking any action. Verify unusual requests through a trusted contact. Understand and follow organizational security policies and acceptable use guidelines. If something feels off, whether it's an email, text, or phone call, report it immediately. There is no shame in asking for a second opinion. Cybersecurity thrives on teamwork. And last but certainly not least, be sure to take part in ongoing cybersecurity training. This includes regularly simulated phishing campaigns. When you think of cybersecurity like fitness, you'll start to see these small, consistent actions add up to long-term strength. Cybercriminals count on quick emotional reactions. But practicing habits like these is what builds a strong human firewall that stands between an attack attempt and a security breach.